Want to make your videos more accessible? Learn how to add subtitles to any video in just minutes with WayinAI. Welcome to WayinVideo. Today, I'll show you how to automatically generate subtitles and animated captions using AI. Let's get started. From the homepage, click on AI Subtitles to get started. You can either upload your video directly from your computer or simply paste a video link. Both methods work perfectly. For example, I will select Upload. Once you select your video, WayinVideo will process it within moments. When the processing is complete, you'll be taken to the AI Subtitles settings page. Here, choose the subtitle language you want. WayinVideo supports over 100 languages, and take a moment to adjust any additional settings. Once everything is set, click Generate Subtitles. WayinVideo's AI will carefully analyze your audio, detect and interpret the speech, and automatically produce accurate, well-timed subtitles for your video, while ensuring your subtitles are precise and easy to follow. Once your subtitles are generated, you can review them in the timeline below. Each subtitle appears as a small text block. Click on any block to edit the text, correct inaccuracies, or refine the wording. This helps keep your subtitles clean, readable, and visually appealing. Now it's time to add some style. Go to the Style section and open the animated caption presets. You'll find a wide range of creative designs with smooth motion effects. Choose a style that matches your video's tone or aesthetic. As soon as you apply one, WayinVideo's AI automatically synchronizes the animation with your subtitle timing, ensuring the text highlights or moves perfectly with your speech. Whether you want a simple, clean look or bright, eye-catching captions, you can adjust everything to match your video's mood or your brand's style. You can also customize your captions even more. Change the font, color, size. Once you're happy with the subtitles and animation, it's time to export. Click the Export button, choose your resolution and quality settings, and WayinVideo will prepare your final video. You can easily add subtitles to any video using Wayin.ai. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more weekly how-to tips.